Need to capture something on your Mac screen? It's super easy. Here are the 3 main ways to take screenshots. Let's get started. Method 1. Capture the entire screen. This is a simple one. To take screenshot of the entire screen, just press 3 keys at the same time. Command, Shift and 3. You will hear a camera shutter sound and a small thumbnail will pop up in the corner of your screen. If you do nothing, it will automatically save to your desktop. Quick and easy. Method 2. Capture a selected area. What if you only want a part of your screen? No problem. Use this combination. Command, Shift and 4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Now just click and drag to select the exact area you want to capture. When you let go of your mouse button, the screenshot is taken and saved to your desktop. Perfect for grabbing just a photo or a paragraph of text. Method 3. Use the screenshot app. For more control, use this screenshot. Command, Shift and 5. This will open the screenshot toolbar at the bottom of your screen. From here, you have several options. First, capture the entire screen, just like method 1. Capture a selected window. Just hover over a window and click. You can also go into the options menu to set a timer or change where your screenshots are saved. Bonus tip: copy to clipboard. Want to paste your screenshots directly into an email or a document without saving as a file? Just add the Control key to any of the shortcuts. Like first one, Control, Command, Shift and 3. This will take the screenshot and copy it to your clipboard. Next, Control, Command, Shift and 4. This will copy the selected area and copy it to a clipboard. The screenshots go straight into a clipboard ready to paste. And that's it. 3 simple ways to take screenshot on your Mac. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.